Congratulations! You finished another week in the Introduction to Marketing Analytics course. Great job for getting this far. This week gave you a taste of the tools marketing analysts use on a daily basis. First, you learned about spreadsheets and visualization tools. I'm sure it came as no surprise to you that these matter a lot in a marketing analyst's job. We will cover these tools in a lot more depth in the next course in the program, and now you already know how to perform some basic functions. Then we looked at tools to evaluate digital data, and you had an introduction to Google Analytics. It's a super rich tool with a ton of functionality. You now know how it's structured, and you can find your way around and interpret the data in a Google Analytics dataset. Finally, we looked at tools marketers use to evaluate the success of their campaigns inside specific platforms like Facebook Ads Manager and Google Ads. As I'm sure you've seen, these tools also cover a wealth of data, and you now know how to get started with evaluating campaign performance on these platforms. We'll cover this in more detail in the 5th course in this program, but you already have a good foundation. Next, for our last week in this course, we will turn our attention to privacy. Anyone who works with data needs to take privacy into account. So let's get a better understanding of what this means. I will see you in the next lesson.